Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to import an Elementor landing page. Let's go ahead and bring this template in right now. Alright, let's extract the package first before we start the import. Before we move ahead, let's take a quick look at the README file to see the setup details. Step 1. Install and activate the recommended theme. Here, we have used Hello Elementor. Step 2. Install and activate the required plugins. Here, we have used Elementor with Pro activated. Step 3. Go ahead and adjust the recommended settings. Step 4. Import your JSON file from the package. And that's it. The import is complete. You can now open the template and customize it with Elementor. Go ahead and customize it to fit your own needs and style. And that's it. Your landing page is ready. You're good to go. Thanks for watching and happy editing.